China just shocked the world again. At the UAV Shenzhen Expo 2025, they unveiled some of the most insane and advanced robots we've ever seen. From flying AI drones to combat-ready quadrupeds, this event proved China is racing ahead in robotics technology. You won't believe what these machines can do. Watch drones fly, swim, and think independently. Robotic submarines, cutting-edge aircraft, and sci-fi smart systems. This was more than an expo. It was a glimpse of tomorrow's world where unmanned tech redesigns our environment. Special robot-themed entrance to the exhibition. Models for security, storage logistics, and cleaning were displayed here. In particular, emergency robots shined. Some were tough units that could explore rugged terrain, detect patients buried in debris, and send exact GPS locations to responders to speed up response times. Others were advanced firefighting robots that could enter dangerous areas without humans. These robots displayed their firefighting abilities by switching between water, foam, and dry chemical agents using flexible, interchangeable, modular extinguishing units. Tracked models to assure stability and smaller, faster units fought fake blazes, showing promise to save lives and property by getting deep into unstable buildings or chemical spill locations where human rescuers cannot. Exhibition. As May arrived in Shenzhen, something extraordinary happened. The world's greatest minds converged in this Chinese city, creating a drone innovation hotspot. There was more than an expo, a peek of the future. Imagine traveling through impossible corridors routinely. Massive cargo drones glide silently overhead, carrying cargoes that will challenge a tiny truck. These are no longer toys but future workers preparing to transport medications to remote communities, AI to disaster-stricken areas, without jeopardizing life. One corner has drones that monitor little paddy crops like doctors check pulses. These farming drones detect sickness, evaluate growth, and sow seeds more precisely than humans. Firefighting drones with thermal imaging cameras await search and rescue activities. A different power flows in the consumer sphere. Flying drones fly over obstacle courses in front of you, while camera drones pirouette, stabilizing gimbals to deliver silky smooth video through impossible twists. Some can fit in your palm, but have computer capability surpassing smartphones from a few years ago. The unnoticed revolution inside every machine makes this possible. AI has moved beyond coding to decision-making. While taking directions, these drones think, adapt, and learn. Some mimic nature with wing-flapping micro-drones that fly across tight places without propellers. Having power comes with responsibilities. Defense tactics include radio jammers and laser intercepts to deter drones. The fight in technology is to develop protection as quickly as the threats evolve. Silicon Valley engineers, Tokyo academics, Berlin entrepreneurs, and São Paulo innovators chat in the hallways. Ideas cross borders faster than drones, forming alliances that will shape technology in 10 years. We're not only watching the future, we work, explore, and imagine. Instead of whether this technology will change our world, it's how soon we can adapt to its incredible potential. The amazing drone performance sent a flood of emotions to the audience. This stunning creation transformed Shenzhen's night sky into a living digital canvas. Thousands of brilliant drones flew into the air in perfect harmony. They constructed accurate, enormous three-dimensional silhouettes, intricate high-tech hieroglyphs, and sweeping animated vistas to epic music against the inky canvas of darkness. Watching huge robots, piercing flying aircabs, complicated pulsating orbits, and whirling planets transform in the sky amazed the viewers. The captivated viewers seemed to see the future as if it were truly here. The production's jaw-droppingly flawless synchronization, persistent dynamic movement, and earth-shaking grandeur showed how advanced technology and artful vision merge easily, pinpoint precision engineering, and tremendous emotional impact. The audience swooned in awe as many cameras captured such lovely, glossy scenes. Moments that went viral, flooding social media worldwide. It was not a presentation, but a powerful, captivating message from the drone industry, showing what the synchronized, wise, future-proof sky can do. Tiangong Ultra 2.0 is a groundbreaking humanoid robot that shows China's autonomous robot technology. Hardware, operating performance, and usability improved greatly in Tiangong 2.0. After beating Tiangong Ultra in the first human-robot half-marathon in Beijing in April 2025 in 2 hours and 40 minutes, the robot gained global attention. It is 163 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kilograms, with advanced vision perception sensors, 3D vision technology, and high-accuracy inertial measurement units for huge computations. With the improvements, Tiangong's running pace increased from 6 to 12 kilometers per hour, demonstrating exceptional gains in walking and running with 2 feet. Tiangong Ultra 2.0 improves balance, heat management, and road surface adaptability. Besides sports achievements, recent demonstrations show the robotic's adaptability in heavy tasks like spatial analysis and real-time obstacle adaptation, making it a holistic platform for future industrial and service robotics in China's booming robotics environment. SHENZHEN X3 flying vehicle is another intriguing project. It was carefully tested throughout time. An estimated $140,000 production-ready vehicle will debut in 2025. SHENZHEN Aero HD version 6 prototypes use innovative indigenous batteries and 4 strong electric motors per wing. It runs in drive mode nearly 90% of the time, a highlight. If needed, its 8 rotors can raise it 10 meters to avoid traffic or other obstacles. For good reason, SHENZHEN is betting big on this mass-market urban mobility paradigm. If the business can launch a commercial solution without major technological hurdles, it might revolutionize daily commutes by balancing driving and flying. SHENZHEN demonstrated the E216's autonomous air vehicle at the UAV SHENZHEN Expo 2025, a milestone in urban air mobility. SHENZHEN's world-first type-certified passenger EV Tyrol has the perfect platform during the 10th Shenzhen International UAV Expo from May 23 to 25, 2025. SHENZHEN introduced the E216's unique autonomy characteristics with sensors and obstacle detection that eliminate passenger transport pilots. SHENZHEN showed their complete urban air mobility infrastructure approach with the world's first E216's takeoff and landing platform and fully automated vertical lift vertiport. The Expo walkthrough showed the aircraft's dual passenger payload, 35-kilometer range, and 300-meter maximum flight altitude, giving SHENZHEN an advantage in completely autonomous passenger aviation. Participants saw live demonstrations of the 3-dimensional lift system and efficient passenger management systems for air sightseeing and urban mobility. The future is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now in China. These jaw-dropping robots from the UAV SHENZHEN Expo 2025 are just the beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next in the world of futuristic tech.